Hello, in this video, I would like to talk about an interesting idea in environmental ethics. The idea is this: because population growth poses significant problems for the environment, there's a debate as to whether some sort of population control is the best approach to deal with environmental degradation. Some people think population control is the right answer. Others, however, say that having a large population is best for the environment because it will lead to more chances to have innovative thinkers. Now, this is a very interesting idea, and it relies on the theory or line of thinking that one person's brilliance can solve society's problems. This may or may not be true. I tend to think that this is not true, especially in modern times. It may have worked more so in the past when technology and problems were simpler. People often wonder why there hasn't been a scientist like Einstein to come along. And I believe that is because the problems of modern society and the technological complexity to come along with those problems are so great that no one man or woman can solve these problems. The scientific advancements of the present and future will be done in large teams. They will be done in large collaborative projects which are international in scope. Now, this isn't to say that this is 100% how the future will play out, but I do believe that holding out hope that we will have one brilliant person solving the world's problems is most likely not how the future will work. But there is hope because a lot of major scientific projects are getting large international funding. This can be seen in the areas of particle physics, for example. Now, it is up to the major countries of the world to continue to work collaboratively and towards common goals. If we do this, there is no upper bound to what science can achieve. It is most likely, for example, that any quote-unquote cure or better treatment for cancer will be found through international scientific efforts. This gives me hope for the future, because I do believe societies are at their best when all people try to pull together for a common good. And I believe there is no greater common good than searching for scientific truths, and it is likely, if not a certainty, that in searching for these scientific truths, great advancements will be made for the betterment of society.